weird guy. Only eats is meat without the bun on a burger. Explain why.
Because I don't like the bun.
Why?
Because
Tell me why. Gotta give me a reason why.
I don't know.
It doesn't know. Oh my gosh. And this girl ate 2 sandwiches already. A Big Mac and a McDouble with Mac sauce. And you see her large frappe. She's not even gonna finish it.
I know.
And this one skinny girl. She's only eating 1 double. And she's not even done.
Yeah.
And this one. Oh man.
The
You already
prettiest
know.
girl.
Wannabe. She got some McNuggets with some burger. Yeah, finish your burger. Finish your burger. But me, I only got the fries. That's all I got. Oh, and there's 2.
Hurry up because we're fine.
Hey. Hey. The star of the YouTube. You guys want to say something?
My fries.
Say something.
My dad.
Say something, Minoma.
I don't know.
You want in?
When a girl says they're not hungry, they're hungry.
Exactly. That's why she's eating 2 burgers.
2?
Yep.
Okay, now I want to say. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
This
No, this guy is weird because he's only eating the meat without the bun.
Yeah. Whose kid is that?
Hey, is that right? Is that right? These guys, they got off school and they hungry.
Okay, let's go.
They hungry. And their mama is hungry too.
I'm not hungry.
Just came and finished all our nuggets, but she got her own nuggets in the car. Finish your burger. Hurry up so we can go.
Okay. I'm done.
Got anything to say, Jaden?
Let me finish all the fries.
Shout out to who? Shout out to all my fans. You got fans, right?
Yeah, TikTok.
You got TikTok? Okay, shout out to your TikTok. Say the name of your TikTok.
Jaden Day.
Huh?
Jaden Day.
What's your TikTok?
The
Shout
life
out.
of Jaden.
Okay, shout out to his TikTok, whatever it is, he said.
The life of...
How about you? How many followers you got on TikTok?
I don't know how much I have.
What about you? What do you got?
I got like 90 something. You know how much I got?
How much?
When I got 13,000.
30.
That's true.
Why you make me laugh?
Look at kids.